Hi everyone, so this is a really quick pumpkin tutorial. It's very basic, very quick, very easy to do. I didn't use that many products either. I have listed them all down below. I hope you enjoy it. Any questions, comment in the comment section below and I will get back to you as and when I can. So enjoy.
So here I'm starting to outline the lines down my face where I'm going to draw the pumpkin lines. I'm actually using Crown's Scandalous palette just to draw a rough idea, just so I can decide exactly what I'm going to do. So again, using Crown's Scandalous eyeshadow palette, I am applying the same orange colour to my crease line and blending that through. I then apply a slightly redder shade and just blend the two colours together to make that orange a little bit more vibrant. I then go in with a dark shade, a bit of a brown, just to smoke my eye out just a little bit in the corners. To add a little more depth to my eyes, I decided to go in with a bit of a dark, I think it is just straight black, also from the Scandalous palette. Using that same black, I go in over my eyebrows. I make it quite heavy and quite sharp. I'm not too worried about blending them through, as I want a deep dark effect. I thought I was done with my eyes, so I started applying my mascara. This one is Tom Ford's Black Mascara. I then decided I wanted to make the eyes a little bit more vibrant and a little bit more shimmery, so I added some more shades, again from the Crown Scandalous palette. I then used my Hay.x eyeliner just to create a bit more of the depth in the lines along my face. I still was a little undecided, so I was trying out some different products to see which one I was happy with. And as you will see, I then go on to use that black eyeshadow again from my favourite Scandalous Crown palette. track eyeliner. This is just a gel eyeliner, so it's easily to apply and also to blend out where you want it. So I created 2 lines either side of my lips. I then filled in my lips with the same eyeliner, and then I created a jagged look as though I had cut the pumpkin with a knife. I then added what I call the sinister lines. So I always draw a few little lines up from the teeth. This can go along as what would be the nerve lines. I then add a few more to the eyebrow. I love the one in the eyebrow because I think that really makes such a difference and creates a bit more of a scarier effect. A little as though I am frowning. Yeah, I just really enjoy this little touch.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I had fun creating it. We will see what I will come up with next. I am running short of time because I am going away soon. Yeah, any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me the thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.